everyone, Wildcats, it's Miss G. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you how amazing you are. Just seeing all of the amazing work you're doing on Seesaw and Google and all the class meetings. It's been so nice to see you there. And I know these times can be really challenging, because we're in our homes a lot and we can't go out in a lot of places. So the other day I was flipping through my phone. I was thinking about all the places I'd been, and I found this video of when I was at the beach and I saw this cool person doing bubbles, with those big bubble wands. So I just wanted to share that. I thought that'd be fun to see that since we can't go to the beach right now. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I miss you so much. Lots of love and light. Take care. Bye. Amazing. It's one more. So cool.